Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to your computer class. Now, children, we already learned about the four parts of the computer, and that is the CPU, the brain of the computer, who does calculations. We learned keyboard, what it does, it types words and numbers. Third is the mouse. It is used to draw and it is also used to move the mouse pointer. And fourth is the monitor. The monitor looks like the TV screen and it is used to see pictures. Whatever we do on the computer, we can see it on the monitor. Okay? Now children, today we will do the book exercise. Okay, so you will open page number 16 and you will do the book exercise with me. So are you ready? Okay. Now children, just a second. Let me just take pencil, pen. Okay, now I understand that a computer has four main parts. Yes, we have understood this through the lesson. So I will write tick mark. Okay. Now I know that a monitor looks like a TV screen. Do you know? Yes, we have studied this. So I agree with it. Agree means yes. Okay. Yes, I accept. I know that a keyboard has buttons called keys. Yes, we learnt this, right? So I will tick it. I know that a CPU is the brain of the computer. Yes, like I have brain, the computer also has brain and the name of the brain is CPU. Yes. I know that a mouse is used to paint and play games. Is it? Yes, the mouse is used to paint and play games. Very good, children. Now, children, when I say one question, you can pause the video. Okay, if you are sitting with your parent, ask them to pause the video and then you can answer. Okay. Now see here, take the correct answer. A monitor looks like a dash screen. So does it look like a CPU screen? Does it like a paint screen? Does it look like a TV screen? Yes. So I am going to tick mark the TV here and I will write here TV. Okay. So you will write here TV. Now the next one. The buttons on a keyboard are known as. So what are the buttons on the keyboard known as? Is it keys? Keys, keys. Oh yes, we got the answer in one go, right? So I am going to tick mark keys and you will write the answer here. Now this time remember children that K will be small letter. K will be small letter because it is coming after a sentence. Okay. So keys. Okay. Now next is a computer mouse has dash buttons. So how many buttons does a computer mouse have? Do you remember? Left and right. That is 2 buttons. Okay. How many buttons? 2 buttons. So I am going to tick mark 2 and will write the number 2. So 2 will be small letter, right? Because it is coming in the middle of the sentence. You remember how to form sentence formation rules? Yes. Now see next, write T for true and F for false statements. Now the first statement, okay, you will read with me. A monitor is the brain of the computer. No, it is not right. The brain of the computer is the CPU. So I will write this as no, false. Yes, very good children. Now next, a monitor is used to see cartoons. Is it true? Monitor से हम कार्टून देख सकते हैं. Yes, it is true. So I am going to write T here. Now, number 3. See the third question. A keyboard has small buttons called keys. Does it? Yes. So the buttons on the keyboard are called keys. It is true. So I am going to write T here. Now, see here, CPU looks like a TV. No, we read monitor looks like a TV. So this is false. Okay. So I am going to write F here. It is false. False. Now next, a mouse is used to move the mouse pointer on the screen. We learned what is a mouse pointer. What is a mouse pointer? The arrow that you see on the screen. ये arrow आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, which is on the black screen. This. Okay, I am moving it. That is the mouse pointer. Okay. So, do we use the mouse to move the mouse pointer? Yes. So, I am going to write T here. Okay, I will write T. Yes, true. Now, go to the next page, children. Who am I? Now, this is a riddle, a puzzle. Okay, I have many buttons on me which are used to type numbers or words. So, who am I? I know who it is. Let us see. Keyboard. Yes. So, what is the spelling of keyboard? It is K. Then I will write E. Y. You will write with me. B. O. A. R. D. Keyboard. Okay. Now see here. I help you to draw lines, sketches and to play games. Who am I? Yes, it is a mouse. M O U S E, mouse. Now I look like a television screen. What is it? What looks like a television screen? Yes, it is a monitor. M O N I T O R, monitor. Okay. Now I am the brain of a computer. It is the brain of a computer. What is it? It is the CPU. CPU. What is the full form of CPU, children? Central Processing Unit. Okay. Central Processing Unit. Now see here. This is a game. Match the symbols to find the parts of computer. Okay. Now the sun. The sun here, it means M. Now what is the smiley? Smiley means smiley is here. Right? You can see smiley here also and you can see smiley here also. right? So this is O. So I will write O here. Okay. Now find out where is this symbol. ऐसा symbol आपको कहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है? Can you see? Yes, I found it. See here? This. So I will write U here. U. Now where can you find this symbol? Yes, I found it. So I am going to circle this and I will write S here. Now where can you find this symbol? Oh yes, did you find it? I found it. It is here. So I will write E here. Okay, so I have got the word mouse. Yay! Now see the next one. What is this? Now you will see this sign. Okay, where is this sign? Yes, it is here. So I am going to circle it and I will write K here. Okay, what I will write? I will write K here. Now this is a star. Where can I see the star? Yes, it was here. It is already circled, है ना? It is already circled. What is the sign here? E. So I am going to write E here. Okay. So you will write E here. Now next symbol is this flight. So what is it? Yes, it is Y. So I will write Y here. K-E-Y. Now next is this arrow. So what is the meaning of this arrow? It is B. Okay, so I am going to write B here. Now again I have got a smiley. So what is the meaning of smiley? It is, yes, it is O. So I will write O here. Keyboard. It is, I know you know the word, but let us find the symbol. It is much fun. Yes. Now here we have the black and white, this thing. Black and white. Okay. So where can I find this symbol? Here it is. So I will write A here. Now where can you see this symbol? It is here. So I will write R here. Okay, R. Then where can you find this symbol? Yes, it is here. So I have got my word, and what is my word? It is keyboard. Now I have done 2 for you. Now 2 you will do it as homework. Okay, you will do it on your own. Now coming to the next page, the last page. Now see the question. First read the question. Okay, find the missing part of each of the following computers. So the computers that you see, you have to find the missing part and write their names in the spaces given below them. Now here in the first picture, see the first picture. Okay, here in the first picture, as you can see the CPU. This is the CPU, this is the monitor, and this is the mouse. So what is missing? There are 4 parts of the computer. CPU is there, mouse is there, monitor is there. What is missing? Yes, it is the keyboard. So I will write keyboard here. Okay, you will write keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Please excuse my handwriting because I am writing with the mouse. So this is the keyboard is missing. Now the other 2 you will do it on your own. Let me just give you a hint. I have the monitor, I have the keyboard, I have the mouse. What is missing? The brain of the computer, and that is the CPU. So you will write CPU here. Okay, you will write CPU. Yay! Now last one. The computer, this you will do with your own, on your own. Now next, The computer teacher asked Rahul if he has seen anything at home which resembles a computer monitor. What is it? So the teacher has asked Rahul that have you seen anything in your home, anything at your house that looks like the monitor? So think, children, what have you seen? Yes, it is my television. So I can write television. Okay. Tele. T E L E. Tele. Then vision. V I S I O N. It is television. Okay, it is television. So we have television which looks like the computer monitor. Okay, now see here, this is a puzzle. You have to, so the keyboard here, it wants to meet this computer. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to help the keyboard to complete the computer system. So I will start going from here and then you have to find your way. This, children, you will do it on your own. Okay, and show it to ma'am. Okay, you will send your pictures on WhatsApp after completing this book exercise. I hope you have understood. So remember, children, 4 parts of a computer. Monitor, it is used to display the work done on computer. It looks like television screen. Listen carefully. Second is the keyboard. The keyboard has buttons called keys and it is used to type words and number for typing. Third is the CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer and it makes calculations. Okay. And fourth is the mouse. The mouse is used to paint and draw. It has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. Okay, it has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel, and it is used to paint and draw and move the mouse pointer. The mouse pointer, what is the mouse pointer? It is an arrow on your computer screen. Okay, that is all for today, children. Bye bye. See you in the next class.